Now, this is not working efficiently, but I can say that AI has been helping me work more efficiently, and despite my therapy dog here, I've managed to figure out a good start to using all the reclaimed oak from the church pews. ChatGPT, if I'm going to build this sturdy workbench, what about all these extra cutoffs? Our contractor built a new stage backdrop by reusing the old pew wood. There's a bunch of 5-inch wide chunks that he threw out and left behind.
Laminating wood on its side can provide a strong and durable surface. I'd recommend alternating the grain directions slightly between the pieces and using high-quality wood glue. Clamping the boards together will make a solid worktop.
Well, I'm going to run these through the planer and get them ready for glue up. The wood inside is actually beautiful and super dry. How many pieces do I need if I'm going to make the tabletop 26 inches wide and about 7 feet long? And each of the legs is 5 by 5 inches and 30 inches tall.
For a 5-inch thick, 27-inch wide, 7-foot long tabletop and 4 legs that are 5 by 5 inches and 30 inches long, you'll need around 50 boards.
Okay, yeah, so I need to cut a few more boards and plane them for the glue up. ChatGPT, the planer is slowing down and sort of jamming up. Is it just getting hot? Maybe it's overheating, like the boards are having trouble moving through.
Check for debris and buildup, and make sure the path is clear.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, it's like glue. Oh, no, it's gum. Oh, there's gum from the pew wood. No way.
I didn't expect that.
Oh, that's nasty. I'll just scrape that off of here. Yeah, well, you know what? That's enough for one day.